Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Magliligo challenge tayo. Okay, Ligo challenge in the morning. Alright. So, dahil ang daming nagdig ng backyard ng aking aso, papaliguan ko siya guys. Okay. So, ito siya. Maputik. Maputik. Okay. So, tinatamad ako. Pero need kong paliguan. Okay, come. YuKi, come. Ay. Nahulog, lug. Sorry, guys. Come here, boy. Okay, come. Here's my YuKi. Kung gusto niya. Stay. Stay. Good boy. It's yummy, right? Stop. Stay. Mahirap magpaligo sa fireplace. Sit. Mahirap, diba? Ayaw niya magpaligo. So now, he's loving it. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Papi, stay. Sit. Stop. Stay. Stay. Relax. Hindi lang ano niya guys. Mapaan niya. Stay. Ang hirap nito. Stay. Don't move. Uy! Good boy. So, he's using Bird's Bees. Oops, YuKi. No. Stay. Oh, good boy. Good boy, YuKi. That's a good dog. Stop. YuKi, don't go out. Di ba masarap maligo, papi? Masarap maligo. Ang sarap maligo, di ba? Ang sarap maligo. Ang sarap maligo, papi. Ang sarap maligo. Sarap maligo. YuKi. Stay. Sarap maligo. Ligo challenge. Ang hirap paliguan ng papi guys kasi takot pa sila ng konti sa tubig. Right, but YuKi? YuKi, right? You're still afraid in the water, puppy? Now you're loving it. Now you're loving it. Now you are loving. You are loving the water. Dahil nag-enjoy siya dun sa backyard, you dig the backyard under our shed, then lots of mud on tummy, legs. How about your face? Idian mo mong face mo sa water. Turn around. Good dog. Good boy, YuKi, for turning around for mama. Good dog, puppy. This is a Ligo challenge. Ang hirap magpaligo ng dog. Oh. Ang hirap magpaligo ng dog. Puppy. It's so good, right, baby? Feels so good to take a bath after long time in the snow. After long time in the snow, right, YuKi? Ang hirap guys kasi maliit yung kamay ko. So, hindi ko abot yung paa niya habang I'm holding his collar. I need to hold his collar because he wants to go out. Paw? YuKi, paw? YuKi, give me your paw. YuKi, give me your paw. Okay, stop. I know. Don't say that. Don't say that to mama. Oops. YuKi, stay. You are still dirty. Under. Yes. It's a legal challenge. Taking a bath with a puppy dog is so hard. I know. You know that it's so hard because you don't want to ligo. After playing outside, now you are so muddy, you need to go ligo. You need to go ligo. YuKi, you need to go ligo. Wow, this is a cute dog. My pyrynees cute dog. He is a good boy. He is so good boy. Wow. He is so good boy. Right, puppy? You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute, puppy. Now you are so cute. Doing shower. Doing shower. He loves doing shower. Oh, cute baby. You're a cute baby. Stay. YuKi, stay. You're still dirty under. Okay. I know. Paw. Your paw is dirty. Look at this. Other paw. YuKi, other paw. Stop. Ay! malintong yung dog ko, guys. Nadulas. Nadulas ang dog ko. Okay. You're so cute. Stay. Stay. YuKi, stay. YuKi, stay. More. You still have a soap on the body. Do you like the no, you're liking the shower. You're liking the shower, YuKi. Right? Stay. Stay, YuKi. Okay. Tulog gamay. Tulog gamay. Tulog gamay. Okay, jump here. Jump. Jump. You don't want to jump. Okay, stay. Stay. Stay, YuKi, stay. Stay. YuKi, stay. Oops. Oops. YuKi. Oh my God. Come. We'll wipe you. Thank you guys for watching. And he is all done. He is all done. He's all done. He's so wet. Okay.